As a startup owner, accessing capital is crucial for growth and development. One popular financing option is a business line of credit, which provides flexible funding to cover expenses, invest in opportunities, and manage cash flow. In this guide, we will explore the best business line of credit for startups. First, it is essential to understand what a business line of credit is. It is a type of loan that allows businesses to borrow and repay funds as needed, up to a maximum credit limit. This flexibility makes it an attractive option for startups, which often face unpredictable cash flows. When selecting a business line of credit, startups should consider factors such as interest rates, fees, repayment terms, and credit requirements. Some lenders specialize in startup financing, offering more lenient credit requirements and competitive interest rates. One of the best business lines of credit for startups is offered by Fundbox, which provides lines of credit up to $100,000 with interest rates starting at 4.66%. Another option is Bluevine, which offers lines of credit up to $250,000 with interest rates starting at 4.8%. To qualify for a business line of credit, startups typically need to meet certain requirements, such as being in business for at least 6 months, having a minimum annual revenue of $25,000, and maintaining a good credit score. However, some lenders may have more flexible requirements, so it is crucial to shop around and compare options. In addition to Fundbox and Bluevine, other top lenders for startup business lines of credit include Kabbage, Square Capital, and OnDeck. These lenders offer a range of financing options, from short-term loans to long-term lines of credit, and often have online applications and quick funding decisions. To get the best business line of credit for your startup, it is essential to prepare a solid application, including financial statements, business plans, and credit reports. This will help you demonstrate your creditworthiness and increase your chances of approval. In conclusion, a business line of credit can be a valuable financing tool for startups, providing flexible funding and helping to manage cash flow. By understanding the key concepts, considering factors such as interest rates and fees, and exploring top lenders, startups can find the best business line of credit to support their growth and development.